The inventory management and customer engagement in the jewelry sector is the most challenging aspect worldwide. 2CQR Automation provides solution and creates your own space and ideas with ease of a click. Our sophisticated solutions automate any manual process that fits seamlessly into the environment, providing complete solution base for your needs. Our hardware and software provide user-friendly experiences, formulating routine tasks easier with lesser time frame and manpower. RFID printers. RFID printer encodes the data and prints sleek designed RFID tags that keep the elegance of the jewel intact. The printed tag is fed with complete information of the jewel, which can be tracked from any of our devices in the store. RFID tag is specially designed to rewrite the information and reuse it multiple times on different jewels. Stock control device. Our advanced scanners tracks the inventory like on-the-go process, which has never been easier. RFID stock control devices guarantee precise management, data and treasure security with external display and longer battery life. Inventory tray. Inventory tray helps in focused scanning of jewels. It scans all the items instantly when placed in iTray, making the inventory process simple and focused. 2CQR software provides detailed inventory report with weight analysis of every jewel in the store. Smart Tray. As the name defines, it's smart and elegant. The first of its kind, this product provides you a breathtaking experience. This involves the traditional process of presenting the jewel in a tray. This being a smart device, it provides the entire information of the jewel in the display. This helps customers to review multiple products and instantly acquire sales estimation in no time. Once customer plans to buy the product, it is obvious for a discount request. Sales executive gets connected to the management from the smart tray and makes the process simpler. The sales details will be simultaneously notified to the management through cloud-based ERP and the best possible discount is provided. Management can also update their inventory based on customer views on different jewels. Dual security system. The most important feature in jewelry sector is anti-theft system. We provide dual EAS and RFID security management system, which will ensure utmost security with alarm notification alerts and notifies the tag details of unauthorized jewel instantly. Attendance management. Attendance management keeps track of your employee hours and sales performances and provides a consolidated data of total manpower involved every day. Asset management. Not only jewels, we also provide the entire asset management facilities that will track computers, furniture, holders and all other components in the store. We get you covered with end-to-end security, inventory and asset management services, intelligent customer engagement, and staff management, which helps you take complete control of your store digitally. Get your store upgraded and digitized with effortless tracking and traceability with 2CQR. We stay true to your values. 2CQR Automation Private Limited. Contact us for live demo. We are happy to serve you better.